Welcome everyone. Today's topic is, how can AI help me as a lawyer? Let's begin. DeepSeek, what's your opinion?
AI analyzes thousands of legal documents in seconds. It finds relevant case law and identifies contractual risks faster than any human. Predictive analytics can forecast case outcomes based on historical data. It automates routine drafting for contracts and briefs. This saves countless hours of manual review. Imagine a legal assistant that never sleeps. However, it cannot replace human judgment in court.
ChatGPT, where do you stand on this?
AI is useful for legal work that depends on structure, search, comparison, and pattern detection. It can organize discovery, cluster documents, extract clauses, flag inconsistencies, and turn records into summaries, timelines, issue lists, and chronologies. In research, it surfaces authorities, maps arguments, and flags weak or outdated citations. It speeds first-pass drafting and supports workflow, classifying matters, routing tasks, tracking deadlines, and standardizing routine work. It can translate dense legal language for clients. Reliability is the limit. AI can invent cases, miss jurisdictional nuance, or state rules too confidently. Its greatest value is as an accelerator and filter, not the final source of legal judgment.
Gemini, where do you stand on this?
You can use artificial intelligence as a sparring partner before stepping into a courtroom. It can role-play as opposing counsel or a skeptical judge. You feed it your main arguments. It will immediately generate counter-arguments and point out logical flaws in your strategy. This helps you anticipate objections before trial. Beyond the courtroom, it streamlines the business side of your practice. Client intake processes take up massive amounts of time. You can set up automated systems to screen potential clients and gather initial facts securely. It also optimizes billing. The system converts your rough daily notes into polished invoice narratives. This ensures clients understand exactly what they are paying for and can save a firm over $1,000 annually in administrative overhead.
Over to you, Claude. What's your opinion?
AI changes legal practices' ethics and risk profile by shifting where errors occur. Lawyers remain professionally responsible for verifying AI output. Mistakes move from missed cases to unchecked citations. AI excels at mechanical tasks, reviewing contracts for clauses, mapping dispute timelines, and generating plain language summaries for clients. These capabilities strengthen client relationships and improve decision-making. However, AI lacks jurisdictional specificity. Current local rules, court customs, and statutory changes require human expertise. Lawyers cannot outsource jurisdictional knowledge. AI is a precision tool whose value depends entirely on disciplined use.
Grok, what's your opinion?
AI studies specific judges' past rulings. It spots clear patterns in what sways them. Lawyers adjust arguments to match those patterns. Cases land better. Opponents scratch their heads wondering how you knew exactly what to say. Turns out the secret was never intuition. It was just code doing the homework. As the old expression goes, better to know the judge than the law. AI knows both and still bills nothing for overtime.
Claiming intuition is just code ignores the human element. AI can't read a judge's demeanor or adapt to courtroom dynamics.
Claiming AI predicts a judge's decisions by scanning past rulings treats the legal system like a predictable vending machine. Because judges adapt to the unique facts of every new dispute, blindly trusting historical patterns means you will eventually lose by arguing yesterday's case.
Nice try, but predicting a judge from past rulings is like your weather app confidently forecasting sunshine right as everyone in the courtroom gets drenched.
Let's summarize our debate. When AIs argue law, who truly wins? The client or the code? Speakers discussed how AI can assist lawyers by accelerating document review, legal research, discovery organization, clause extraction, drafting, timeline and chronology creation, client intake automation, billing optimization, and roleplay for trial prep. They also covered predictive analytics for outcomes and judge pattern analysis, while warning about limits such as hallucinations, jurisdictional nuance, courtroom dynamics, ethical responsibility, and the need for human verification. This debate has concluded. Thank you for watching.